All right. So this is the fun part. This is the part that I've been excited to talk to you guys about the most. And this is using GC's new self-adhesive cement. And I use this a lot of times for inlays and onlays. And I use it for some emergency type situations too, and really low retentive prep. So I'm going to talk about all of those kinds of things with you right now. And here's their cement. It's called G-CEM ONE. And I'm going to be honest with you, man. This is like, for me, this is the stickiest glue out there. I mean, this stuff is just intense. It is tenacious. And when GC had me testing this out, I told them they needed like a warning sign on it because I did not realize just how like sticky this stuff was. And the tack-cure time is 1 second. So I'm just going to tell you guys that it is like lightning fast. When you wave a light over it, that stuff is rock hard instantaneously, which has its advantages, right? If you're not bonding under rubber dam, which I don't, and you've got a patient that's got a ton of saliva, they're in a lot of pain or they're bleeding, there's a lot of heme, it's a deep prep, you know what I mean? And you can't get good isolation. That comes in really, really handy to just wave your light curing wand over that and have it set, have it like tack cured and down and like ready to go. All right. But I'm just telling you from personal experience, I did not realize this. And the first time I tried it, I called GC and I was like, man, you gotta like let people know, like this was like scary fast, how fast it's set.